Hey guys, it's your girl Coco. Welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how I clean my makeup brushes. So keep on watching. So for cleanser, I like to use Dawn, probably the best thing in my opinion. I use olive oil. For Rayo, you can use a silicone facial scrub, a bowl, and also you'll need some paper towel. So you mix the Dawn and the olive oil together, and it should look a little something like this. Then I'll start with my small brushes that contain powder on them, and I swirl them in the mixture and I scrub it on my hand. Then I'll rinse and I'll repeat the same process. And it should be squeaky clean. Don't mind that last one, it's stained. And then I'll go ahead and dry my brushes with microfiber towel. To clean the handles, I just spray it with alcohol and wipe it down with a paper towel. Now I just repeat all of that with all of my other small brushes that have powder on them. Now these brushes contain cream or liquid, so it's a little bit different. I'm gonna go ahead and swirl these in the mixture. I'll scrub it with my Foreo first, and then I'll do the second wash on my hand. After I check all of them, I make sure none of them have dirt on them. This one did, so I'm gonna go ahead and scrub it one more time with my Foreo. One of my brushes had a spoolie at the end, so I'm just going to clean that. I'll be moving on to my bigger face brushes that contain powder. I make sure to really massage these well. Next, I'll be doing the face brushes that contain cream or liquid products. I scrub these with my hand first so I can remove all the excess product. Then I'll go ahead and individually scrub each one with my Foreo. Then I'll be cleaning bigger face brushes that contain powder. When you're cleaning your brushes, you want to kind of keep all of the brushes that contain similar types of products in them, like powders with powder and cream and liquid with cream and liquid. That way it makes it so much easier and faster for you to clean your brushes. And finally, these two brushes contain cream and liquid products, so I'm just going to go ahead, scrub them with my hands, rinse, and then individually scrub them with my Foreo. You can see with this process, the brushes are super clean. And after that, I just lay all my brushes on a paper towel for them to dry, and I alternate sides so the brush heads are not right next to each other. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.